Afternoon. I'm gonna head a bit through the strip, well, at least before the strip really begins. I'm gonna head up towards those hidden streets on my left. It's really hot out. It's above 30 degrees today and it's boiling out here, so I don't think the strip is too busy at all. So I'm gonna head up towards those hidden bars, but I'm gonna start at a new one. One that's opened up yesterday, 2 days ago I believe, 4 Jacks. It's a new location. So they have moved next to the Rockstar. You can see it right down there in the back. That's where the Rockstar is. Right down here is where the new 4 Jacks is. It's nice and calm. And good to see this space is getting used again. And what is also very nice is one of the more shady, no, that's not correct. It's in the shade, yeah. That's something that's really nice for this weather. Most terraces out there on the strip, out there in the open and are really hot. Like down there. It's even busier in the new 4 Jacks than it is at the Rockstar. But it's also quite big. If you see that, stretches all the way from the left towards there. This place still feels a little bit abandoned. Not that much happens still in the shopping mall, but at least one part is filled up already. Spanish bar there in the distance, all sitting nicely in the shade, enjoying the 30-degree weather, which is a shade temperature currently. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, please do give a like, greatly helps promoting it, thank you. Such a shame, it still looks like this big construction wall and just half of it is finished. Okay, once I'm one street further up, then I'm gonna head towards the right, and from there on slowly wind my way through back down again. Easy hire mobility park, mobility scooters. Hotel Castilla right up front. Now this bit does look really nice compared to the bit down there, which we had on the left, which is still under construction for, I believe, already 10 years. Okay, so I'm gonna head this way and then slowly on down again. There's a nice breeze today, but it's better down here than at the beach. At the beach it's really hot and it's a bit humid as well. Rio Park and a few other hotels which are all back there. Caballero de Oro, I believe there's another Sandos. One thing that's also really noticeable now, we're getting closer towards the summer is the crowds are growing here in Benidorm. Last night and Sunday night it was really busy, especially at the beach. Lots of people going out for a walk down there. The strip is getting a little bit quieter slowly on. Those groups are not going for such a holiday in the summer period. It's really expensive then, and those stag parties do come before the summer and after the summer again. So it's shifting more towards families which don't visit the strip that much. But the crowds are growing. More noticeably, especially Spanish, come a lot here to Benidorm. All the people from Madrid and all the other places we have inland, Seville, all those people like to visit a coastal city. Really expensive, $2.50 for a small bag. You know what they still have here at this Chinese? Don't know if it's still working. One of those really old telephones out here. It looks disgusting, but there was a time we all used those. The city was filled with them everywhere. Nowadays, that's the only one I've seen here. Got buddies coming up. Day and night. And the street itself down there, it's just empty. Nothing is open. I believe Champions is open. That is the only one that's open during the day there. The rest is all empty and closed. Pueblo Hotel. I'm gonna take a ride down here, have a little look at jokers. Don't think anything is going on yet, but you might never know. Of a Helios there. And something I've never noticed is this fountain that it goes all the way down as well, from the Venus Survey Group Hotel. I think the restaurant is down there. Never went in there. Let's go for a quick peek over the fence to see, we might see some progress down there. And in case you've missed it, the red corner bar, which is at the end of the street that is going towards there and then heads towards the left, they have taken over this venue. They're going to operate it under their own name, I think. Don't know how they're going to keep this name. Jokers. Let's have a look. Nothing visibly yet. Same as last time. Do wonder when it's going to open. It's always been really popular when it was open. Maybe they're aiming for opening after summer, when the crowds really get going again for the bars. Wood fire grill. Is this new? I don't know. It's closed currently, but it looks rather new, at least the sign. Don't know. So there's the Royal Secret, and from next door where the memory sign is, from there on all the way until the end, that is owned by the red corner, the bar that is going to open up the new Jokers. Carousel bar opening very soon under new management. Quite busy in there, but I think if they only had this space, then the place would have been full. But it's nice to have all the space you want. Curious to see how popular the place will be when the bar season really kicks in. The Killer Cow new restaurant that has opened up next door of the Country Ribs. And then we have Uncle Pat's. They have put up lots of umbrellas to make sure people are covered from the sun, because else you'll roast in a way. On the left there you can clearly see what happens if you don't put up enough parasols. All the spots that are full on in the sun are empty. And that is it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video.